Here's something you don't see every day. Normally, I'd be showing you all my Quail Ridge Park models, but this time we're going to show you a 2019 Woodland Park. This is unit number 6456, and it came to be for sale on my lot. It's a brand new 2019 Woodland Park. It's a beautiful unit. It's got redwood siding, white trim, white shutters, house type rear entry door, 3-axle trailer, 14.5 feet tall. It's a Woodland Park Timber Ridge. I don't know its model designation. You could call me when I'm in my office. I'll call it the Island Kitchen. It's a pretty cool trailer. It's got some nice flooring. You got to check out the flooring. It's really cool. This is a high-end piece here. This is MSRP of $70,000. Got some nice adjustable bar stools. I'm sitting in a sleeper sofa. Swivel rocker recliner. Oh yeah, swivel rocker recliner. Stainless sink, stainless pull-out sprayer, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18 cubic foot fridge. Check out the place to store your wine glasses. Everything in these stays in them. Everything you see is what you're going to be getting. Drapes, mini blinds, even the decorations go. It's got an extended dormer. Check out the hall closet. Nice big hall closet with some air conditioner parts. It does have an included belly air, or you could upgrade to something larger if need be. Nice headpan in the bath. Stand-up shower. We call that the Neo Angle. If it was a Quail Ridge, this would be the Neo Angle bedroom. House type in-swinging rear entry door. Step down into the master bath. It's got really nice cabinetry, well thought out. Nice big queen bed. Lots of storage in here. You got a his and hers wardrobe, or you can make it a hers and hers wardrobe and stick him up over the head of the bed or in the storage underneath. Anyhow, let's head up to the loft. Got a tall rear loft. You've got auxiliary air conditioner up here, 6200 BTU. That's the taller loft. That'd be the 5-foot loft. The small loft over here is about it's close to king size. Definitely queen, maybe not quite king. So anyhow, this is my 2019 Woodland Park. It's the only Woodland Park we have. Probably the only Woodland Park that we'll get, but who knows what the future might bring. It's a very nice trailer, well thought out, open floor plan, MSRP of just right at $70,000, so it fits right in with the rest of the high-end trailers here. I think I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Can't find anything I dislike about it. It's definitely worthy of being here with my 10 or so other Quail Ridges. Well, have a great day, and thanks for looking at my videos. 2019 Woodland Park Timber Ridge Double Loft Park Model Classic, Unit 6456.